So this is something that we decided to do. We're going to do a weekly kind of check-in so that you see more of us and not just emails every week. We wanted to clarify a couple of things about lecture and about lab, mainly about lab, I think. So one thing, when you submit assignments, this is not talking about discussion posts, please make sure that you have your name, date, class number on your assignments. A couple of you didn't put your names on your body donor article. If you guys don't put your names, we can't grade them because we don't know necessarily who they belong to. So keep that in mind. Every week, Maggie is uploading a kind of schedule to help you through the week. Want to tell them a little bit about that?
Yeah, so that can be found on the modules page, and I've reorganized that page, so if you haven't looked at it, go check it out. But that'll have everything you need to do for the week. So the weekly schedule will be at the top, so you can follow that for how to split it up for Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Of course, you can always work at your own pace, but that kind of splits it up if you want to do your work during those actual scheduled periods. And then work your way through the lecture and the lab material. It should all be in order, and all the files should be connected to that, all the supplemental. If there's not, you can always check in the files folder under lab or lecture, but there will be videos uploaded for labs soon, and I will upload the weeks about 2 weeks at a time, so you'll have this week's material and I'll upload it for the next week as well in case you want to get a jump start on that.
And then to talk a little bit about how you should be doing lab and how open labs will work. So, like Maggie said, we're going to be uploading videos of the models. So we got all of those done today. We're going to edit some of them, and then we are going to upload them to YouTube, and then we're going to send you guys the link. We're going to make a page for this class. The reason why we're doing it that way is because the files are far too big to upload straight to Canvas. So work through your ID sheets, work on those terms, write down the supplemental information that we've given you. All of the information that you're being given is the same on the PowerPoints, on the videos, in your textbook. Okay, we're just giving it to you in different formats because everybody learns differently. All right, so utilize all of those resources to help your studying. You should be going to open labs when you have time. These are not going to be formatted in any particular way. They're just 2-hour blocks of time for you guys to study with someone who's already taken the class, done well, and already served as a TA. Multiple students in there have also been cadaver students, so definitely utilize their experience and the time that they've had not only as a student, but also a TA. And yeah, I really think that that's all we have. Do you have anything else to add?
Just make sure you read the syllabus because so many questions can be found on like the first or second page of the syllabus. So make sure you've read that over. That information is important and you are expected to know that.
All right, we will check in next week.